today's video is unboxing the September Look Fantastic box. I'm not being sponsored or being paid by Look Fantastic. I wish I was, but I'm not. Please stick around to the end of the video to know a bit more about the Look Fantastic advent calendar. Everything you need to know will be in the description box anyway, but please stay tuned to the end of the video for the Look Fantastic advent calendar. And if you want to see what's inside my September Look Fantastic box, then please keep watching. This is my September Look Fantastic box. This box is worth £50 and I receive it for £13 a month. You can subscribe to it. It is a beautiful little package that you receive at the end of every month. So this month is their birthday edition, so let's see what's inside. So once you've opened your box, this is what it looks like. You get your little booklet and the tissue paper. So if you've never had a Look Fantastic before, it comes with this little booklet here. It tells you everything you need to know about the products, how to use them, what their original price is, and so on and so on. And at the back it gives you a little sneak peek of what's in next month's box as well. So this is what your box looks like after you've taken the lid off and the booklet out. So you undo the tissue paper and you see all these beautiful products, absolutely stunning products in here. So the first things first that caught my eye was this beautiful facial roller. I have always wanted to try one out, so now I've got my hands on one. Thank you to Look Fantastic. I will be able to try it out. So it's this beautiful green with a gold like metal bends on it. You get the big roller and the small roller, and all you do is just roll it across your face and it feels so nice. It gives your face a nice massage. Someone actually said if you have a face mask on and roll this over your face mask, it helps to get in your pores a little bit more, and it is brilliant as well. So thank you to Look Fantastic. I've always wanted to try one out. Now I will be able to try it out. Next thing is I got this beautiful makeup brush. This is the Luxie 209 large shader brush. It's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. It's in a nice pink with the rose gold bit here and a nice brush here. It's so lovely and so soft. Absolutely stunning, and I love it. I love getting new makeup brushes as well in the boxes because you can never have too many makeup brushes. Next up I have is this pencil lip liner. This is the Diego Dalla Palma shade 80, I think, and I will swatch it for you. Ooh, it's a really nice colour. Do apologise for that sound, that was my laptop, but that was a beautiful, oh god, if I'll be able to show you guys, beautiful, like a kind of a nude colour. Next I got is the ESPA Natural Beauty Inner Calm Pink Hair and Sculpt Mud. This is a hair mask. I cannot wait to give this a go because I love a hair mask. I'll bring it closer so you guys can see it as well. I've never actually heard of the brand before, so I'm so excited to give this a go and see what it's like. Next thing is I got a little pop socket from Look Fantastic. If you remember my old phone, then again I didn't show you guys, I don't think I did anyway. I had the Samsung Galaxy 9, I think, I'm not too sure, I think I did, but I had a pop socket on the back. Now I've got the iPhone 11 and I have a Urban Decay makeup palette as a case. I don't know whether to put this on my phone or not, but it's a beautiful little black pop socket which goes on the back of your phone, and I think it's actually quite cute. Last two things to show you is this little guy here. So if you've seen my Glossy Box LMS limited edition box, you guys will know that I received a load of LMS products in there anyway, and one of them was the marine cream. I am literally obsessed with it. I love it so much. It's so really nice, and it makes your skin smooth and it smells incredible. And now this is from Look Fantastic, and this is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream in a like little tube. Look Fantastic do LMS products as well on there, so if you do want to try them out and give them a go, head over to Look Fantastic. Their website and the box itself will be in the description box below for you guys, so you guys can check them out. But yeah, I will bring it closer for you guys can see without the ring light getting in the way. But yeah, that's the little product there. Then last little product I got was this. So I've heard of the brand before, but I've never actually used any of their products. This is the Elemeska Beyond Powder Highlighter. When I opened it, I thought, oh my god, look how cute that is. And it's in a stunning colour as well. I will give you a close-up look and a swatch test. It's absolutely perfect colour. It's a nice gold champagne colour. It's absolutely stunning. It's the perfect colour for the perfect highlighter, and I absolutely love it. Plus, it's a really tiny colour, really tiny, so you can just pop it in your bag or in your makeup bag as well. But that is everything that I got in this month's box. It's so beautiful. Like I said at the beginning, I spend £13 a month for mine, and the products you receive are worth £50. It's absolutely incredible. £13 a month and you get £50 worth of products. I think that's incredible, absolutely incredible. I'm not, like I said, I'm not being sponsored by Look Fantastic, or I'm not getting paid for Look Fantastic. I'm not getting paid for this video. I paid this out on my own money. I done this on my own back, and I just wanted to show you guys what Look Fantastic can give you basically, and what you can get from Look Fantastic. So if you want to know a bit more about Look Fantastic that I haven't said already, or about their beauty boxes, then everything you need to know will be in the description box below for you guys. I will put down their website and the direct link to the beauty boxes in the description box below for you guys, so you guys can check them out. Also, my Instagram handle will be down below, just in case you have any questions about Look Fantastic and you can't find anything on the website. Then please feel free to message me or put in the comments below anything you need to know about the product or the box itself, how much, how long did it take, anything you want to know, just let me know. The Look Fantastic Advent Calendar is now for pre-order. It will be in the description box below for you guys. You can pre-order the Advent Calendar now and then pay on the 12th of October. That is what I've done. So this year I'm going to have 2 beauty Advent Calendars, the Glossy Box and Look Fantastic, and I might have a chocolate one as well to open up on Christmas Day, which I cannot wait. If you guys would like to see the unboxing of the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar, then please let me know in the comment section below, and I will write the idea down for you guys. So when the Advent Calendar arrives, I will then show you. It will be my very first Advent Calendar from Look Fantastic, and I cannot wait. I really can't. I'm so excited, and so excited to see what products are in there. So without further ado, that is going to conclude this video. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down the bottom, and don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it, so you are notified every time I upload, so you do not miss any uploads. All my Christmas content will be starting in, well, I'm going to start filming them in November, and then obviously they're going up in sometime end of November, beginning of December as well. So when I did tell you about Vlogmas and everything, I might be doing Vlogmas week and everything else. With coronavirus, we don't know what's going on at the moment, so ideas are still up in the air at the moment. They're not fixed point, but whatever happens, I will let you guys know as soon as possible of what's going to happen. But hopefully I can try and do vlog week instead of Vlogmas, because I won't be able to do Vlogmas because of work and everything else. So, but yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.